Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off fingerprint feature on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you want to delete fingerprints that have been previously registered on your cell phone, don't need to be worried because you can delete your fingerprint and disable the fingerprint feature on your cell phone. And how to do that is quite easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to settings menu on your phone, and then now you can scroll down and go to security and privacy. And then after that, now you can go to lock screen and then enter your screen lock, and then go to biometric and fingerprint. And then so yeah, on the fingerprint one you can click and now you can remove. So yeah, your fingerprint will delete it and the fingerprint feature on your cell phone will disable. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to turn off fingerprint feature on Samsung Galaxy A56, and thank you so much for watching.